Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the charging dock station on your for your RUGONE Xever 7 Pro. The docking station can both charge your phone and the replaceable battery at the same time, which is wonderful. All you need to do is plug it into the power, just like that. Now your dock station is in the power. As you can see, it is displaying a blue dot right now. Now, whenever I put my phone in on the pogo pins, it will begin to charge. It should begin to charge. I'm not really sure though whether it did not, because a moment ago it was displaying like it was. Yeah, now it is charging. Okay, yeah, it's just my cable's fault. And then I can also take the battery and put it there, so it basically charges. So I'll get the battery, I'll put it in, and now it is important that you remove the battery once the light turns green from red, otherwise it may not make the battery last as long. And yeah, that's the charging station. It is pretty useful. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.